Hello, my name is Tom Searcy. I'm the Vice President of Digital Signage for ClearOne. Today we're highlighting our web-based digital signage solution. Our web-based solution is a platform-independent turnkey solution, hardware and software available in both a software as a service and as a hosted solution. So if you look over here, this is the end result of what one of our players is putting out. Nice that we actually have the welcome page for InfoComm going there. You look over here, these are actually the devices. So this is the player device that's playing that content, and then we either have a server that you log into, or we have the Amazon web service available. So the server-based solution will support up to 25 endpoints, and the Amazon cloud is scalable up to hundreds of endpoints. So there are different applications for each type. In either case, when you're using the software, you are logging into the Web Suite software. So the Web Suite is going to be identical whether you're in the cloud or you're the on-premise server solution. You've got some basic functionality here. You've got the Composer software where you can create most of your content. You have an application for uploading audio files. There is the ad logger that gives you reports back on when your content ran, and then you have a whole administrative layer for setting up levels of user access, provisioning the players on the network, doing remote firmware updates, and then storing the content. As just a brief overview of how to create content, you just simply go into the Composer software. These right here are what we would call projects. Some people would call them playlists. I'm going to open up a playlist or a project here. You see a series of pages. Each page has its own set of properties, can be scheduled, can be managed independently. What I want to point out here is the ease of use. So if I want to create new content, I simply go to New Content. I can give it a name and a description. I'll skip that step to move this along. And then I'm going to have a page here. I've got to get this a little smaller to fit on my screen, and I'm going to go over to what's called the library where the content resides. I'm going to click on my Demo University, and you can see all my content is organized in folders by type of content. So very simple to use. I'm going to go to my background file. I'm going to grab a background. I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to select it as an image. It's as easy as that. It's a drag and drop interface. Once I'm done, I can close that. I can add more elements like video and flash and text. It now becomes part of my project. It's being uploaded to the cloud or uploaded to the server. Now I can go ahead and actually publish that project. Publishing is the act of taking it from the source, which is the cloud or the server, and sending it to the player. I pick the players I want to send it to. I can use pull or push publishing, so I can push directly to the players, or I can have the players pull in from the server. Basically, that's an enterprise class feature and allows you a lot of flexibility. So that's a quick overview of Web Suite. There's a few other features like the ability to log that are nice to be able to have for advertising purposes. We do provide free online training videos, and we have a content creation service as well. The goal is a total cost of ownership to keep it very low and work in the middle market for digital signage. Thank you for visiting ClearOne booth N1827 at InfoComm.